There's a faster way to find anything on YouTube TV. Most people have no idea it exists. Voice search on YouTube TV doesn't just find shows, it controls your entire experience. Here's every command that actually works in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll use voice search on every device YouTube TV runs on, and you'll know commands most users never discover. Every device has a microphone button. Press it, speak, release. On Google TV, Chromecast, or Roku, just press the button and speak. On Fire TV or Apple TV, hold the button while you talk. And on mobile, just tap the mic icon in the search bar. Press it, speak, release. That's all voice search needs to activate. Activated. Now here's what you can actually say. Start simple. Say a show name like Succession to jump straight to it. Say a channel like HBO to open it live, or a genre to filter your options. You can even ask for new episodes that dropped this week. Show name, channel, genre, timing, all instant. Pause, play, skip, or rewind. You don't need to touch the remote mid-show. Skip forward exactly 2 minutes or rewind 30 seconds with a single command. Toggle captions or set the volume to a specific level instantly. Now for the commands most people never find, Smart Search. Ask what's on a specific channel right now, or search for a genre within a specific decade. Search by topic like space documentaries, or jump to a specific episode. And if you're stuck, just ask it to find something to watch for personalized picks. Voice search understands natural language, describe it, and it finds it. For sports, voice search is a game changer. Check today's full schedule instantly. Find your team's next game or open sports channels like Red Zone immediately. You can even set recordings for upcoming games without navigating any menus. Team name, league, game time, record, your entire game day routine simplified. Manage your DVR library or set recordings for your favorite shows in one step. Check your upcoming recordings or cancel them by day or title. You can even switch user profiles without ever opening the settings menu. We've covered finding content, playback basics, sports, and DVR management. These commands save hours of scrolling. Start using your voice today. Press the mic button, speak naturally. YouTube TV handles the rest. The remote is now a backup. Which command surprised you most? Let me know in the comments.